Hi guys, welcome back to Focus Android YouTube channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to change the apps icon color on Samsung phone. We start by go to settings in our Samsung phone and we scroll down and we tap on wallpaper and style. In wallpaper and style, we tap on color palette. Okay, in this is the color palettes and you can see in the bottom this is the wallpaper color. You can choose the combination of color you want, and the most important thing here, you can turn on apply palette to apps icon. Here I turn on and you can see here the color icon of the apps will change based on color you choose in the bottom. Here you can see we change the color, and after you change the color you can tap apply in the bottom to save what you choose. Okay, after that we can come back and we will see the result. You can see the color of apps icon already changed.